Hi, I'm Shayna from WTI, and get ready to step into Flavor Town with these Korean kimchi barbecue pork rinds from Southern Recipe. So when anyone asks me what my favorite food is, the answer is always Korean food. So I was excited to try these Korean kimchi barbecue pork rinds from Southern Recipe. And oh my gosh, are these delicious. They have that smoky, rich Korean barbecue taste with a hint of spice, and it's so subtle, if you blink, you'll miss it. For those who are watching their macros or on keto diets, this is a perfect snack. It's low cal, it's low fat, it's high protein, and as added bonuses, it has 13 grams of collagen and it's gluten free. So I figure skate, and I love having these in my skate bag to keep me satiated. And it's also perfect for a pre or post workout snack. So these pork rinds have an amazing crunch to it. I mean, listen to that crunch. And I love that these pork rinds pack so much flavor in these bite-sized pieces. And that's my point of view.